student, let's start exercise 4.1. 4.1 exercise, construct the following quadrilateral. We need to construct the given quadrilateral. Here we are using the condition 1, that basis on we construct the quadrilateral when 4 side and 1 diagonal has given. Okay, let's construct the quadrilateral ABCD. There AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to CD, AD and AC, length of given. Okay, so in this full exercise or the full unit, firstly we construct the rough diagram for the given quadrilateral that we need to construct it. So suppose I am taking at the quadrilateral. Here is the rough diagram. What is it? A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral. And here is length of AB has given. What is the length has given here? AB 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter. And AD is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the rough diagram. It is not the exactly length, na? It is not the accurate length. This is the rough diagram. We can draw the rough, then after that we can take the idea which type of we can draw. And the diagonal has given. That means the previous video I have given the introduction for the given condition. We can easily construct the quadrilateral. Here we are using the first condition where 4 side of the quadrilateral, length of the 4 side of quadrilateral has given and diagonal is also a given. Okay, so for this we are free to take any length first. Okay, now I am doing the fair diagram. Okay, but I suggest you first, if the 4 side has given and diagonal has given, so first we draw the diagonal, that means AC. So AC, what is the length of AC is 7 centimeter. So length of AC is 7 centimeter. Is it? Now give the name is AC 7 centimeter. Then we are free to draw first A to D or C to D, or if you want to be draw the A to B and B to C, any one that you want to be take first, then you take it. Now we open our compasses and suppose I am drawing here AB 4.5 as the downside is AB 4.5. Now you measure the 4.5 and draw it A, B. Now swing an arc. Okay, but here we can't say that then B is here. Where is the situation? So first we need to get at the intersection point. Now BC we also know that 5.5 centimeter. Now BC is 5.5 centimeter. Now C as a center. Now whenever we get the intersection point, that is the P. The same as we draw the AD. AD is the 6 centimeter. I hope you understand very well. Now AD. But the same condition, we are not getting the intersection point. Now we draw that C to D, 4 centimeter. C to D. So this intersection point is D. Now we join it A to B, B to C, C to D, and A to D. Now our quadrilateral ABCD is ready. Here the length of AB, BC, CD and AD has given. The length of 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal has given. Okay. Let's see the question number 3. I am not giving the question number 2. You will try for the question number 2. It is very similar to the question number 1. If you are able to construct the quadrilateral jump, it's okay. Otherwise, in the next class, definitely I will give you. Now let's come to the question number 3. Here we need to construct parallelogram, because parallelogram is also a special type of quadrilateral, is it? Now parallelogram more, where the OR 6 cm, RE 4.5 cm, EO 7.5 cm is given length of. So now first we draw the rough diagram of the given quadrilateral parallelogram more, MORE. OR has given 6 cm, RE has given 4.5 cm, and EO has given 7.5 centimeter, is it? Because this is the special case of quadrilateral parallelogram. So first you need to learn the property of the parallelogram, because we construct the quadrilateral based on the when the four side and a diagonal is given, but here only the length of the two side and the length of one diagonal is given. So how can we find out the length of the other two sides? So because the property of parallelogram, we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So length of opposite sides are equal. So RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So MO is also a 4.5 centimeter. The same as when the length of OR has given. So ME is also a 6 centimeter. So in this way we are finding the length of the four sides of the parallelogram more and diagonal EO. Now it is very easy to construct the parallelogram more. Here we have to write the property of the parallelogram. We know that in a parallelogram the length of the opposite sides are same, equal. Okay, so in the we using the property and we finding the rest of the length, rest of the MO, that means equal to ER, and ME is equal to OR. So in this type first we draw the rough diagram. It is easy to draw the your fair parallelogram more. So first, whenever the length of four sides and a diagonal has given, first we try to draw the diagonal. So first I am drawing here. What is it? EO. EO, what is it? 7.5 centimeter. EO 7.5 centimeter. Then you are free to draw first EM or OM or the side of this triangle. Actually this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. Then you can construct one triangle and after that another triangle. So now I am taking here, first is actually more. So MORE, that means M is on the downside and R is on the top side. So I am taking M. Okay, M from the E and from the O. So now I am measuring E to M 6 centimeter. So measure the length of EM by the help of open the compasses and by the ruler 6 centimeter, and after that OM, what is it? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so this intersection point is M. This similarly we can construct this triangle ERO, that means ER and OR. So open the compasses, the same as 4.5 centimeter, because we are using the property of the parallelogram, that is similar case. Special case of quadrilateral. Here the opposite length of the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. And the same as OR, what is it? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Is it? Now we get it, the point R. Now we join MO, OR, RE and EM. So parallelogram more MORE is ready. Here the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.